Looking to upgrade your vintage Buick stereo without the hassle of rewiring? This wire harness is designed specifically for 1978 to 1987 Buick models, letting you connect an aftermarket stereo receiver directly to your factory radio harness. No cutting, no splicing, just a clean, direct connection that keeps your original wiring intact. I've seen too many car owners struggle with complicated wiring jobs that risk damaging their classic vehicle's electrical system. This harness changes the game by using OEM-quality materials and factory-style connectors, ensuring a seamless fit. The color-coded wires simplify installation, so even if you're not an expert, you can feel confident about the process. One user shared how it fit perfectly in their 1991 S10 base model and allowed for a hassle-free radio upgrade without modifying the original wiring. What makes this harness stand out is its precise compatibility with select Buick models from 1978 to 1987. It's engineered to plug directly into your factory harness, preserving your vehicle's integrity. While it's not compatible with factory amplified systems, it covers the majority of standard setups. Customers rave about how it works flawlessly, making the upgrade smooth and reliable. If you want to modernize your classic car's sound system without risking wiring damage, this harness is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values quality, ease, and preserving your vehicle's original wiring, this wire harness is the straightforward solution. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a new stereo experience without the stress of complicated installs.